Cancer, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 16 to 22, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, so let's see, Cancer. What's coming to you this week, September 16 to 22? Wow, success! There is success. You will achieve success sa mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. So, this is sweet success. This is worth it, no? Worth it siya na in-effortan mo yung isang bagay na yan. Tingnan natin in what area of life ito. Uy, sa career. Oh. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay magiging sikat, famous in your own field, in your own career, in business. Wow. May fame eh. You're going to be famous, popular. Yung iba sa inyo, content creators, sa social media. So, fertility, you are going to be very productive. Dami mo magagawa ngayong week na to. Wow naman. Oh, prosperous. Grabe. May prosperity na may success pa for you. Ayan oh. Talaga naman. So, ano man yung mga trinabaho nyo, yung mga ineffortan nyo, this is going to be successful for you. You will see the results of your hard work. Merong new beginnings for you kasi itong number 37 in numerology, that is number 1, which is new beginnings. Yung iba merong leadership role. Meron ding growth for you, number 3. So maaring importante ang number 3 para sa inyo, tsaka number 1. That is growth, that is improvement in your situation. Let's see your current energy. Energy for this week. The High Priestess. Wow. You are in your own element. Very intuitive. Malakas ang inyong instinct. Yung iba sa inyo, very wise. Marami na kayong na-acquire na knowledge, na skills, na nagagamit nyo ngayon sa inyong decision making. Kaya kayo ay prosperous. Kaya kayo successful. Okay, you're up challenge. Elder of Cups. So, pwede magkaroon ng challenge with water sign. Kapareho nyo na water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or pwedeng sa romantic connection. Pwedeng meron dito na kulang sa attention mo. Naghahanap ng attention mo. Kasi busy ka daw. Can be anyone, but for some of you, this is a romantic partner. Okay, let's see your opportunity. The Two of Wands. So, as an opportunity, yung iba sa inyo merong mga options na available sa inyo ngayon. Pwedeng sa trabaho nyo, sa career path nyo, sa business nyo. So, ito yung time na kailangan mong mag-decide kung anong path yung tatahakin mo. When you have this very powerful instinct, yung kutob mo, yung intuition mo, magiging madali lang na naman sa'yo na pumili. Ano yung path na tatahakin mo. But whatever this is, this will bring success, especially in your career, Cancer. Your blessing is the Three of Wands. O, number 3 na naman. Diba? Number 3. Three of Wands is about expansion, improvement. Some of you, opportunities to sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng may kontrata na kayo ay papasukin. So, this is an agreement or signing a contract. Yung iba rin sa inyo, pinapakita na rito na you have your tools. Yung mga pangangailangan mo, yung tools na kailangan mo to bring success in your life. You are expanding your horizon. So parang Ito yung tipong halimbawa, naging successful ka na locally. Let's say, for example, meron kang business or career sa Pilipinas. Successful ka na dyan. So, ngayon, you're aiming for a wider audience, a wider opportunity sa ibang lugar. So, especially sa ibang bansa for some of you. So, kung meron kayo naririnig na mga aso, sa tapat kasi namin, may nagwo-walk ng kanilang dogs. merong merong bakanting lote. So, baka marinig nila ako anyway. So, tinan natin yung money, career, finances. The Emperor. The Emperor is about stability. This is planning, pagpaplano ng iyong career path. And this is also leadership role. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, may promotion, or maganda yung estado ng career nyo ngayon dahil you are a leader, you are leading a group. You also have the Moon. The Moon is about your instinct. Ang lakas talaga ng on point ang inyong instinct ngayon, Cancer. So, talagang you will be directed or guided ng inyong instinct. Teka lang, parang ang dilim na. Ang gulo ko. Okay, turn on lang natin yung ilaw. So, ayun na. With the Moon here, you are being guided to the direction na kung saan mas mapapabuti ka, mas magiging stable yung career path mo, yung business mo. You also have the Oracle of Swords, which is also about your wisdom, your knowledge. Ang dami rito iba't ibang klase ng lumilipad na hayop. So, it seems na yung iba sa inyo, you are kasama mo sa grupo or kasama mo sa trabaho, napapaligiran ka ng mga taong matataas din yung kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay. So, nai-impluwensyahan ka rin nila na to aim higher, to go for the gold, to go after your dreams. And then your love life, tinan natin. Ace of Pentacles, Oracle of Pentacles, puro Pentacles. Okay. I don't know kung focus nyo ngayon ang career, ang career nyo, no? But I think career nyo ang inyong binibigyan muna ng attention ngayon, Cancer. So, pagdating sa love life, posible rin naman yung iba kung gusto nyo, kung kayo naghahanap ng relationship ngayon. But I think kung meron mang darating, practical yung relationships na to. Yung kumbaga, hindi siya yung puro love lang or feelings lang. It's about practicality na yung pagkakaroon nyo ba ng relationship makakabuti sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa mga goals nyo sa buhay. Some of you might be business partnership, no? Kasi meron tayong Oracle and Elder of Pentacles. So, yan sila yung partners, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, makikipag-business partner or pwedeng if you are already in a relationship, papasok kayo sa business ng iyong partner, ng jowa mo. Diba? You're also going to be very curious. Marami kang research na gagawin, new learnings. Some of you may travel talaga. Pwedeng ito yung hinihintay nyo na travel opportunities or to work abroad. You have letting go, surrender. Meron kang i-give up or i-let go para sa gusto mong i-pursue. Pwede kasing hindi mo na kayang asikasuhin, hindi mo na kayang i-handle. So, you're going to let go of that para makapag-focus doon sa new opportunity sa'yo. Oo, kasi sa ngayon, mas nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo. You are developing yourself. You are taking care of yourself. Do it for you. Gawin mo yung mga plano mo para sa sarili mo. Para sa ikauunlad mo. So, yeah, that is your reading, Cancer. So, thank you so much and goodbye.